mental health tracker bundle is great to document all of your activities and your symptoms so that you can work towards better health. I'm going to show you how it works. There's multiple sheets, and this is available in Google Sheets and Excel, and it's available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Okay, so here we go. First, we're on the appointment tracker, so we can write down the name of the doctor, their address and phone and email, the next appointment date, the appointment time, and then, what service are you going to get? So let's say well visit, and then how long will that take? And any notes. The next is your symptom tracker. This is really great if you have a chronic illness and you're trying to track symptoms so that you can show your doctor what might be going on so they could help with diagnoses and treatment. So you can put the time that the symptoms started, the time that it ended. You can put your treatment and any notes. The next are questions that you want to ask your doctor. You can just jot them down. You can write your doctor's name. And if you asked your question, you can just check it off if you have, and any notes. The next is your medication list. This is great for you, or if you're a caregiver, to just keep track of all the medications. So we can put, heart meds. You have a quantity of 50. What's the dosage? Is it fully stocked? What's the expiration date of the meds? And then what's the doctor's name? You can check this off as you go through each medication. The next one is a gratitude journal. This is something wonderful to practice. You can just write down what you're grateful for, what goals you have, what made you smile today, and what you're looking forward to, and any positive thoughts. And then there's also a place to write down notes if you like. The next is a water tracker. For those of us trying to work on drinking more water, you can put in the date that you're starting this. It will put the days of the week down there for you. And as you drink more water, it will fill up your chart higher and higher. You can put your goal, and then it will show you how many days you've completed your goal and what percentage of the goal you've completed. You can type in your weekly goals and check them off each week, and then monthly goals as well. This is your sleep tracker. You can track the day that you went to sleep, the time you went to bed, how many hours you were in bed, and how long you slept. And then if it was a good sleep, 1 to 10, how you felt, and any notes. This is a self-care checklist. This is great for you to write down your routine for the week. And then as you write down your goals, you can check them off as you complete them. This is a habit tracker. So if we want to put our daily habit on here, and then you can put the start date and then check it off as you journal, and then your chart will expand as you are completing off tasks. There's also weekly and monthly goals you can put as well on the bottom. And then lastly, this is a mood tracker. So you can put the date that you started, and then in the morning, did you feel 1 to 10? Good. And midday, did you feel any better? And then evening, how did you feel? 1 to 10. This will give you your daily and your weekly average. And you can put any notes as well. So that's how this sheet works. It's available again on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.